To quote Dorothy Height, without community service, we would not have a strong quality of life. It's important to the person who serves as well as the recipient. It's the way in which we ourselves grow and develop. I chose to say this quote because it expresses the way I felt and still feel about this project. While I tutored at Wayne Middle School every Thursday, I was able to see a number of communication skills in both the students and the tutors. Everyone showed verbal and nonverbal communication throughout the hours we were there, most of which varied between the two genders. Nonverbal communication between people is communication through sending and receiving wordless cues. It includes the use of visual cues such as body language, distance, and physical environments or appearance of voice and of touch. Verbal communication is sharing of information between individuals by using speech. How each communication skill is delivered is different between the opposite sex. As we learned in class, females are more indirect, elaborate, and focused on relationships. Males, on the other hand, are direct, task-oriented, and more likely to interrupt. I was able to see both of the different ways of communicating between the young students. Being in middle school, they are still uncomfortable being mixed together and sitting by the opposite sex. The girls sat next to girls, and the boys sat next to boys. There were 3 tutors in total, including myself, all of which were female. I noticed that the girls were the only ones asking for help, while the boys sat in a corner talking amongst themselves. Non-verbally, I could see the boys wanting to ask for help by their looks. But verbally, they didn't know how to ask. Everyone communicates 24/7, but we all do in different ways. As I saw at the middle school, the diversity is largest between the two genders, especially while we're young. Verbally, communication helps us tell the others what we want them to know, while nonverbal shows what is really happening. I saw this mostly in the boys at the middle school. Community service is beneficial to everyone, and to close, I would like to show this video made by another student.